Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and continue on the Jeep, getting it all squared out, molded out and ready for parts. I'm not going to do too much talking on this intro. We're just going to go ahead and get straight to the work. As you can see, I went ahead and stripped the door panels and I left the clay ends on the panel to lead onto the other doors so I could line up everything, and I have all my marks and stuff like that, all my alignment marks. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and line up all that on the next door and get that squared out. But first I have to jump onto the fender to go ahead and finish out some of the molding work that has to be done on the other side of the fender to get it lined up with the fender liner and get it ready for the next process. Yes, sir. As you can see, I got this nice and everything is ready for parts on this mold here. All I have to do is take some clay, fill out the seams, and it'll be ready for parts. So we're gonna move on to the rear door and get that nice and squared up, and I think that will be it for this video. So let's go. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video today. As you can see, yeah, we got a lot done. So yeah, pretty much squared up on this side. I'm going to leave the rear for the rear of these panels to continue with the bumper and continue around. What I'm going to do is jump on the next side of the foam and the blocking out of the shapes and stuff like that, so I can get the fiberglass on that side, and I can work my way from the front where the bumper is, where I took the fender in the last video, and work my way back to the rear door again. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell down below so you can be notified on all the videos that are going to be posted. Check you guys next time. Peace.